It's a neat old truck. It's a Fargo. Oh, look at that. Wow. 73,000 miles. It's neat. Everything's in here. It's clutches and looks like a 3 on the tree. Would it be?
Yep. That'd be.
I love the tailgate. Fargo. Does it open? Oh!
Another old 6.
Inline 6? Or
Yeah,
is that what it's...
inline 6.
Neat. Oh. Everything was here. It's a complete unit.
Yep.
Oh. This little truck is pretty cool.
One more.
Here comes the truck. There's Brian's new fancy heavy-duty toy. It's coming. Once the front wheels get on, it'll be easier. Sweet. Still trying to load the trucks. These guys will go anywhere and get anything. Pretty persistent. Even during a blizzard. Well, last night we had freezing rain. So the roads are pretty treacherous getting here. Oh, she's almost there. Then you can go home while the roads are still bad. Truck's loaded in the evening. The tracks are already blown in from when we came in. Okay, we're back from St. Brew with the old Fargo, and this is how much snow we had last night. You can see that it's up to my knees. It's up to the truck door, and we're going to see if we could get out of our yard. Should be fun. Oh, wonder if I should have my seatbelt on. Amazing. This truck is pretty awesome.
Snow's deep.
Wow. She's deep. Well, we're finally getting out. Getting closer to the road. snow and it came in one night. Look at my car. Buried up to the bumper.
That's no problem.
Look at the drift in front of Jean's truck. Holy crap. And away we go. Ah, not to the ditch. Ah. Woo. Look at all that snow. At least let me get my seatbelt on.